guys, and welcome back. I got a little short video here. I told my wife I was gonna record this. I bought her these here handheld neck hanging bands. I never heard of them before, but she's seen them on line and says that she needs them for work. They're called handheld neck hanging fans. Third gear wind, long standby time, ultra low noise, USB charging. They were $35 on Amazon. We have one fan here. Comes pre-charged. It's got 37% battery, so we're gonna have to charge it. It's got 3 speeds. You feel that, Jess? Good air? Good air?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what else we got here. Okay, so this must plug into here. Lock in. This is the weirdest thing I've ever seen. Is this new? Something new? Well, I'm gonna run both on 3. Wow. You could really feel the air on this. What's this? Oh, guys, it even comes with a little USB fan, it looks like. Well, that's pretty cool, Jess. Wow. As you look, you can see both sides are at 37% battery life. Plugs into USB chargers. And I'm excited. I'll let you guys know how she likes them while she's out working in 80-degree weather. So again, guys, I just wanted to go over a little review on these for you. Let's see here if I missed anything. Product specifications: handheld and neck hanging fans. Battery capacity 3.7 volts, 2000 mAh 2. 1.5 to 4 watt power. Micro USB charger. DC 5 volts. Hours of charging 3 hours. Hours of use you get 3.5. Again, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell to get more on these videos that I'm producing. Thank you. I'm out.